Welcome to another slightly, but not official. Today we have a unisowl specimen and a unique person with special abilities. Welcome Jane Fangner. Come on, people. Big hand.
And no please thank you.
Welcome to Slidey, but not official. So Jane, tells us a little about yourself today.
Well, to start with, I'm single. I'm 35 years old. I've been this way since I was born. I have several abilities, not known to very many people. I am a scientist at heart. I believe nothing but working. I work on what it takes to do the abilities that I'm known to be using for the world.
Well, I guess my first question for you, Jane, is how many abilities do you actually have?
Well, Mr. B, I'm still learning my abilities and how them. But I can guarantee that I can develop many things in different ways and help the world. Let me show you just one. Do you have a cup? Now all I have to do is touch the cup, choose a liquid that does not interfere with this plastic cup.
It's hot out. Let me choose a cold beer.
Now sip it, Mr. B.
Wow. Cold, really cold. Now that's something.
I have never done this before.
Well, I guess that's all for today. We have lost the jest out the window. And from looking for here, we're done. So see you next time on Slightly But Not Official. Yes, we need DMS out front and clean up here.